All right, welcome back to Cooking with Ash. This is episode 2, part 1. Lunchtime. We're going to be making a sweet potato broccoli frittata. Don't forget our mission, cooking for a family of 4, 5 meals, lunch and dinner. It's 10 meals, isn't it? 25 quid. Hashtag 5 for 25. Let's go. A bit of pre-prep on this one. Broccoli's been cooked for 5 minutes in hot salted water, boiling salted water. Sweet potato, 10 minutes in boiling salted water. 8 eggs, whisked up, nice and easy. 50 grams of Parmesan, and 1 whole onion sliced up. First of all, got to cook off our onions. Get that pan nice and hot, add some oil, some butter, and bung in your onions. And we're just going to soften them. Like we did with our risotto previously, we're not looking to burn them, just soften them, make them a little bit translucent. A little bit of salt and pepper. Once these are softened, we're going to chuck in our broccoli and our sweet potato. Careful again. Give it a little mix up. Now this is a loaded dish. We're going to chuck in our eggs, we're going to cook it all in one pan. No mess, no dishes, perfect. Fry off your veg until it's nice and hot. Slowly and evenly pour over your eggs and top it off with a load of Parmesan. And then that is going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Kind of looking for it to be kind of firm, not squidgy anywhere, not cooked to death. Now, got to be really careful, don't forget, the pan handle's going to be hot. Just going to ease it out. Right, let's get the frittata cut up into 4. Maybe if kids want something a little less, a bit smaller for them. My kids all eat this up. Look at that. Ah! She is dense. There. Got a little bit of salad in the fridge, chuck it on the plate. I think this, on its own, is enough. Go. Awesome. Filled full of veg, nice and cheesy. Ah, delicious. Ah. Join us for our next episode, part 2. We're going to be doing dinner and we're going to make a roasted veg lasagna. See you then.